Okay, I am back out at a site. I looked at this location about a month ago for the landlord. The tenant has since had the company come back, do a cleaning, and I'm here just to take another look to see what was done. It looks to me like it was cleaned May 23rd, so not that long ago. Let's take a look. So the plenum area was cleaned and scrubbed out, right? Up the duct, not cleaned. Let's take a look at this side here. You can see the lateral duct. So this area was cleaned. Up the duct, just there was cleaned. Ductwork wasn't touched. We'll take a look at this plenum over here as well. Now, mind you, the sticker on this hood, I'm not trying to call anybody out, but May 23rd. So this still needs a full initial cleanup, including there's a horizontal duct above this ceiling. That ductwork runs out to a low roof right there. There's an attic right there where you can get into it. Bryan Exhaust Service, we will take care of it.